Hey, what's going on everybody? In this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to do backwards navigation from an activity. So to illustrate this, let's take a look at my app. So we have this button, it goes to settings, which is really just empty, it doesn't do anything. But you can see there's this arrow here, and that'll bring us back to the home page. It's actually really simple to set up, and you can think about this as this home page being the parent, and when you click this settings, this is a child activity. And then we just say, hey, we want to label this as the parent, and then the arrow just automatically appears. So it's actually really simple, and the way you do this is you go into your Android manifest inside of app manifests, and we'll scroll in here just a little bit, and we have the main activity, and that is defined as the main using this intent filter. The previous episode, I taught you how to change which one was the starting activity. Well, we changed it back to this main activity, and we want to set that as the parent. So we actually go into the settings activity, and we add a new label here, and we say Android. Here, I'm going to bring this down to a new line so you can see it nice. Android : parent activity name, and set that equal to .main activity. So I did that once and compiled it, which is why it worked, but if you're following along and you create an activity, that arrow is not going to be there by default unless you set the main activity as the parent using this attribute right here. Alright, so what you can do is you can run it, and I'll prove to you that it works because it's going to be exactly the same as we have it. So our app will launch, we click settings, and then there's the arrow there. So nice and simple. That's how you do that, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, and please be sure to subscribe.